Hey guys, it's me, MDocTVD2, and today I'm going to show you how to put VHS video on KineMaster. So what we're going to do, just press on a button. Oh, yay! And I just upload a VHS video on December 14th. So yeah, today is December 15th now, and it's day 15. All I do is press on import video, and then you can press the video wherever you want. So just gonna press this Cartoon Network, and then it will import. Yeah, I know it's fast. And now you can watch. Okay, that was good. And also, you can go on KineMaster. Yeah, I know. Congratulations on Minecraft for reaching 1 trillion views. All right, I'm gonna press 4 to 3. All right, there you go. Right, wait, shoot. Oops, no. And then you can press on that. So yeah, and there you have it. So these are your steps. Oh, and link in the description down below to download Ray Vision. Anyways, goodbye.